Hey, what's up guys? You know, I started this channel a week ago and this is freaking insane. I got already 1,000 views on freaking day. And you know what? I wanted to give you a thank you video, and I wanted to give you something, but I don't know what to give you, but make some more videos. And that's what I went to store the other day, and whatever you see on the table over there is gonna be in the videos, science videos. So you guys better subscribe, because all that crap, and don't take me wrong, this is just a start. This is just a few stuff, this stuff I haven't made any videos. Slow motion camera, I'm gonna put up some slow motion more videos. Don't get me started on that. Freaking Russian, man, don't even go there, okay? But I'm gonna be doing science videos up there too. All that crap, This is safety first, remember? Freaking eye protection and fire extinguisher is the most important, And this is when I was just I went shopping one time. I'll be going shopping tomorrow again. So today I'm gonna make more videos. You better subscribe, because that thing going down, okay? That thing is going down big time, and you're gonna help me by clicking subscribe. Okay guys? Because you freaking rock. Whatever comments you give me on each video, I made 28 videos on science videos. 99% of them were awesome. But even haters, I love my haters, man. You guys awesome, man. Just subscribe and see more videos, because I'm gonna do some videos right now. And you better subscribe.